Health homework. 11. Make peace with Brussels sprouts. I assume we've all been traumatized at some time by eating mushy, tasteless, disgusting Brussels sprouts. By Dr. Alex Kennerly Vasquez. We only make peace with our enemies, that is why it is called making peace. George R.R. Martin, Game of Thrones, Season 1, Episode 7. I can't talk about Brussels sprouts without assuming that everyone has been as traumatized as I have been by eating mushy, tasteless, disgusting Brussels sprouts at some point in their youth or early adulthood. Recently, on 2 different occasions, we had delicious Brussels sprouts at Cooper's Hawk restaurant, and today at home we made a derivative of their recipe, of which many exist and are widely available on the internet. See link below. The ingredients we had available were Brussels sprouts, cashews, cilantro and rosemary instead of mint, olive oil, combination of honey, mustard, and lemon juice. Although I think the original recipe bakes these ingredients in an oven, I sautéed them gently in an open pan until my girlfriend took over and burned the remainder. As always, I assume she did this with loving intent. You can see the results and process, respectively, in the photos below. Actually, it was pretty darn good and obviously low carb with some of the benefits of cruciferous vegetables, especially anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer. As you probably know, the benefits of cruciferous vegetables are lost pretty quickly with exposure to heat, so the goal is to minimize cooking while also being practical and resulting in something that you can actually eat and enjoy. Make peace with Brussels sprouts, that is why it is called making peace. DRV's newsletter, notes, essays, articles, videos, and book chapters is a reader-supported publication. To receive new posts and support my work, consider becoming a free or paid subscriber.